Hi friends, welcome. Today we're going to take a step back in time and make this easy vintage dessert, cherries in the snow. This is a quick and easy dessert, perfect for all gatherings, and it combines fluffy angel food cake with a creamy mixture and cherry pie filling. You can make this delightful treat in less than 20 minutes. It's a simple yet impressive option for any occasion. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to have a block of cream cheese, and I've got 2 cans of cherry pie filling, an angel food bar, and then I've got some Cool Whip, and about a half a cup of powdered sugar. So this is very easy. It's a no-bake dessert, and you can whip it up real quick. Okay, to get started, I have some softened cream cheese in our mixing bowl, and then I'm going to add our powdered sugar. Now we're just going to mix it all up. Here I've got my whipped topping, and we are going to mix it in with our cream cheese and powdered sugar. Want to get it all in there because we need it. And just kind of fold lightly. You don't want to break down your whipped topping too much. Looks fluffy and yum. Okay, next we have our angel food bar, and we're just going to cut this up into small cubes. Okay, now we're going to add all our angel food cubes to our serving bowl. And now we're going to add our mixture. We're going to add it all in. Just want to keep on folding our creamy mixture into our cubes. Now that we have it covered, we're going to add our cherry pie filling. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of wipe the edges of our serving bowl. Dust it with a little bit of powdered sugar that we had left over. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. And here is our delicious cherries in the snow. Perfect year-round. I hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching.